This just came in. It's what it says right there. It's a display table. It's a white box, nothing else. Nothing else in there. These are the legs. The see-through clear legs. Oh no, they're magnetic. So I guess they'll stick through the magnets. About 3 inches long. This is the actual table. I don't know what this is. Okay, so it sticks on here. I'm a little bit confused. This looks ripped. Is this right? I don't know. Comes out, I think. Yeah. Okay. Nice black plastic. Supposed to have a white part to it. I think that's the other one. So now, that's the black side of it. So it comes with 2 sides. So this goes in the legs, the magnet in, the metal in. So these are the 4 legs. Let me just measure the table itself. It says 12 by 12. Let's make sure it is. And it is 12. 12 by 12. Yes, it is. And the other one's the same size. Okay, so we stand it up. Now let's take, this should be white underneath. Let me take this cover off. Yep. Okay, this is the white one. Wow, it is white. And this goes, I think it just sits on top like that. So it's the display. Those are the legs. So you choose between black and white. And you put the legs underneath. And that's it. And that's the display. I'm probably going to be using the white part. So when you're displaying something, like I just did a video on some coins, it's going to be easy to see with the white background. Much easier. Alright, 12 by 12 for small items, it'll be nice. Or you can just go with the black display. It'll be up to you. So it's pretty cool. I like it. The little legs over there. Okay, thank you. Bye.